In this video, I'll show you how you can delete a Discord server on Discord PC. Now, what you want to do is you want to head over to your server that you created. So let's say it's this one right here. Now, I already made this server, and if you want to delete it, what you want to do is you want to press up here on the name, go to server settings, scroll all the way to the bottom, and there should be a delete server button. Now, when you press delete server, what you want to do is simply type in the server's name, and it should say the name right here. So just type it server, just like that, and press delete server. This will completely delete the server, and then you don't have access to it anymore. Now, if you are not the owner of the server and you just want to remove it from over here, what you can do is just simply right click and leave the server, and it will get removed from the left side. So those are the two ways that you can delete your Discord server on Discord. Now, I really hope you enjoyed this short tutorial. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.